Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach uh, most of the thing is the program. The programming, the most of the students are afraid of program. Why they are afraid of programming? Program is we don't have to afraid. Okay, so if you understand the concept well, concept mean if you understand the logic first. If you understand the logic, good, you will be able to make the program is not hard, it's very easy. Okay, so if you are going to study any language, it may be the Java or C++ or it may be Node.js or uh, Django, everything, Python, everything, but you have to study A to Z well. Okay, some students are first they are going to study start the program first, study until the operators. After that they are stop the object oriented concept. After that they are starting from the databases, and the middle of the part they are not studying well, they are studying but not studying well. While they sit for the interview, they are giving some questions and they are giving the practical tests. They ultimately they have failed the interview. After that they are thinking the programming is our job. Okay, don't go to that kind of job. Okay, the simply you have left the job and telling to family and friends programs are don't study. Okay, so my opinion is first time I also feel programming is hard. After that I feel program is not hard. Okay, so first what you are going to do is you have to study A to Z program, you have to study A to Z. Okay, so after you are studied well, okay, object oriented is must. Okay, program without object oriented, that is not a good programmer. If you are not learn object oriented well, never you never write the program in the future, you never be the programmer, because object oriented is must. When you going to the industrial as a once you complete the Java or PHP, after that you are moving to the framework which is a Java framework, which is a Springboard. If you go for the PHP, there is a framework called Laravel. These most of the framework are designed by the object oriented concept, group concept. Okay, so if you are not studied hoops well, you cannot write the programming on the frameworks. You don't know what is the frameworks. Okay, you are a little bit scared of this. Okay, this is the things you have scared about the program. Okay, so first you have to study well program. Okay, so everything simply, everything out that two numbers. First you have to study simple example, you have to write it your own. Okay, after this you are getting the doubt. Nowadays there is a more, they in my teenage time, I don't have a tool to get the answer. I don't have any forums nowadays. If you run into the problem with your program, you go to the Stack Overflow and ask your doubts. Otherwise you go to the, there are plenty of AI generated tools are there. Okay, there's a uh, GitHub Copilot, that's a best AI tool for the programmer. You will be able to ask the doubt and you can solve the program. Okay, so that you have to if you have work with the program while you writing the program, you are getting the error, you can ask from the AI tool and get the answer. Okay, so that we have simple nowadays. Okay, so first you have to think I can achieve, then only you will be able to achieve, otherwise you can't to be achieved. Okay, so the simple step I'm telling you. Okay, first you have to start when you are, if you want to make the software engineer, if you have to become software engineer, first you have to study A to Z. After that you have to understand the logic correctly. Okay, so the what's the AND operators work, OR operator, these are must. Okay, the AND operators, OR operators, the joins, how to while you are connect with the join queries, SQL queries, these are the must. When you are making the reports of the software development, the join queries are very important stuff. The AND operators and OR operators, the arithmetic, these are the must when you are make the validation part. If you are making the big program like a ERP system, inventory management, it may be the stock management system, you have to write the code more than 1,000 lines per code. So all the things have you check each and every part. You have using the and over operators, so that you have to study and operator well. This is must. The most of the students are not studying the and or operators. Okay, so and the after that, how to simplify the program. We are simplify the program. We are using the switch statement. Okay, if you are making the CRUD application, you have to write the CRUD operation each and every part. If it is a case 1, we are doing add, case 2 delete, case 3 edit, case 4 search, likewise. Okay, these are the ways we can simplify the program. Okay, when you are writing this kind of program, this kind of manner, what is the manner I am telling? Simple, when you go through the interviewer understand you have a good knowledge of program. You have fast the interview. So these are the main things, tips I gave you. I'll give you. You follow them. You can easily achieve. You will be able to make the program in the future. Thank you.